Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you a very basic AI Slack content generator. It's going to be very quick, free, and easy to do. I'm going to show you the whole setup from start to finish, and then we're going to walk through the code. All of the code you're going to see will be in the GitHub repository linked in the description, as well as all the other links you'll be needing for this video. So the first thing you're going to have to do is copy the main.py file into this Google Colab cell. I find that this is the easiest way to run Python code, so I would recommend using a Google Colab notebook, and then also just copy and paste the .env file into your directory here in the Google Colab. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to generate an API key from Google Studio. This will be completely free, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So first, we do create a new project. We can name it AI Slack demo. Okay, we'll create project. Okay, once that's created, we go over to our API keys. We go create API key. We choose the project we just made, create key. Okay, and we have that done. Once we have that done, we just copy the key, go back to our .env file and paste it here. No quotes or anything is necessary. Next, we're going to go to our Slack page. So first thing you'll need is to create a workspace. Let's create a new workspace. We're going to give it a name. We're going to do this part really fast just so we can show you guys fast. Skip this step, skip step. Start with free limited version. Okay, awesome. Now that we have that done, we're going to have to create an app. Refresh this. Have to create an app, build it from scratch. You can just name it Team Motivator because that's will be the use case for us. And you have to choose the workspace that we just created. Now from here, we're going to have to do the permissions. We do that by going to OAuth and permissions. We go to scopes. We're going to do chat right. And we'll also do chat right public. Okay, once we have that. Okay, and then what we have to do, we'll have to install it to our workspace. So we'll do this here, we'll allow. Now our app is able to write to our specific workspace. So now from our workspace, we have to integrate that here as well. So we'll go to channel settings, integrations, add an app, and we'll add the app we just created. Okay, perfect. So now this is what actually is going to do the posts for us. Okay, so now from here, we're going to need a couple things. First, we open channel details. I'm going to copy the channel ID. Go back over here, paste this. Again, no quotes or anything needed. Then we'll go into here and copy the authorization token, which we will also be pasting that to our Slack access. Okay, awesome. So now we have that going. Let's save that. Okay, and now let's show you guys how we run this piece of code. So first I'll do the demo and then I'll do the code walkthrough. So enter the topic of your motivational post. So we're going to do, let's do Fun Friday. It's going to generate a post based on your topic, and the LLM Gemini is generating the post. And then if we check our Slack channel, it has posted a motivational post. Okay, and this is something that you can do with other applications. It doesn't only have to be Slack, it can be different types of social media, and this can come really in handy because you can automate this whole workflow for you. But anyways, with that being said, let's walk through the code now that we have demonstrated this. We're using a client, which is OpenAI. I know it's a little confusing that we're using OpenAI, but we're actually using the Gemini model, but don't be confused. OpenAI is just a client, so it's just a way of accessing the model. It doesn't really matter because we're accessing Gemini. But here we're getting our Gemini API key from the .env file that I mentioned. Here is the base URL, and then this is the meat and potatoes of it basically. So we're accessing the Slack API, right? We're sending a message to the specific channel ID, which we specified in the .env file, and we're sending the message that we generate with Gemini. And then there's some error handling. Now this is where we actually call the Gemini 2.5. So for here, we're going to ask the user, enter the topic for your motivational post. And then here I generated a very easy, simple prompt just so we can get something going. This is the prompt that gets sent to our LLM. It gets sent with the topic that our user inputs. And then from here, we send a response to Gemini 2.5. Our motivational post gets set to the response that gets returned by the LLM. Aka the Gemini 2.5 Flash in this case. And then once we have that, we're using the Slack method we had to post this motivational post. Let's demo it one more time. Again, it's asking us to enter the topic for a motivational post. In this case, well, let's say it's Wellness Wednesday. And then this gets sent to our LLM along with our prompt. Sending notifications, sent successfully. Let's check our channel. And as you guys can see here, happy Wellness Wednesday and the motivational post. It doesn't only have to be for Slack. This can be for LinkedIn. This can be for Instagram or other applications that allow access to their API. It really depends on the social media, but you'd have to check. But yeah, that was pretty much it. Trying to keep this video very simple and easy to understand. As I mentioned, everything is going to be in the description below. So please, if you have any questions, just feel free to leave it in the comment below. And as always, thank you for watching.